Welcome back to the shop, guys. Anthony here with Eterna Motorworks. As you can see, I'm standing in front of something very special today, specifically for the G80 M3 and M4 market. I'm standing in front of the new Lonnie Studios M3 and M4 front bumper, and let me tell you guys, this thing is nothing short of amazing. But let me give you guys some quick backstory. A couple months back, Lonnie Studios released a render of the G80 new front bumper. At the time of the release, there are already a few aftermarket front bumper options for the G80 M3 and M4, but what made Lonnie Studios really stand out is they paid homage to the traditional grille styling. A lot of people did note that this is how the M4 and M3 should have came from factory. So people had a lot of positive feedback on the front bumper, and we were really excited to eventually get our hands on one. Luckily, fast forward to today, we're literally standing in front of the first one in the States, and we couldn't be more thrilled. So I want to point out a couple of our favorite things on the Lonnie Studios front bumper. I'm going to start out with the obvious, and I think everyone's favorite. That is the grills. The way they paid homage to the traditional grille styling, they really knocked it out of the park. It flows very well into the bumper design. It flows well into the stock hood, into the stock fenders, and honestly, it just breathes and looks really good. The bumper kind of reminds us of an M2 competition mixed with an M8 a little bit, but it also has its own identity and flows well with the M3 and M4. Another big thing is the carbon quality. The carbon on the grills, on the front lip, they're really, really good. And another crazy thing is they also offer this bumper in a full dry carbon finish. So for those of you who are obsessed with carbon fiber and just need carbon fiber overload, that is an option below. So overall, I think the bumper design and everything was really well executed. So there you guys have it, the first official Lonnie Studios front bumper installed on this beautiful Sao Paulo yellow G82 M4. The first one in the States here at Eterna Motorworks. Like I said in the beginning of this video, guys, if you guys aren't a fan of the OEM front bumper, this is hands down the best alternative option. But with all that being said, we're gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Comment down below your guys' thoughts on this new bumper for the G80 M3 and M4. Make sure to leave this video a like, and we will catch you guys on the next one.